Not only humans are threatened by AI. Guess who? Guess what? Animals, specifically pets. AI is coming for your pets as well. Yeah. Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Everything AI and Lore podcast with Cholulokwe Awoyemi. On this episode, I will be talking about 5 predictions of the future with AI. 5 predictions of the future with AI. And let's get right into it. Our number 1 prediction is AI, in the sense of being in a robot form or in a chatbot form or whatever form, AI and humans will be best of friends. And even transcending best of friends, AI and humans would get married. Some AI, let me specify, AI and some humans. So to further expatiate on this, when they say that humans are threatened by AI because AI would be able to do some tasks and jobs that humans would normally take substantial amount of time to do. But this is the catch. It's not only humans that are threatened by AI. Not only humans are threatened by AI. Guess who? Guess what? Animals, specifically pets. So, people would usually get pets because they want to have a company or have company at home and all those stuff. But guess what? AI is coming for your pets as well. Yeah. AI is coming for your pets as well. Because, for example, I could say, why would I stress myself getting a pet that I have to feed, have to clean after it, have to do this, have to pay for the monthly checkup of my pets and all the stuff? Whilst I could get a robot that I can even communicate with, who understands me. I mean, almost like I'm talking to a human being, because by then, I think we'll be getting closer to AGI, where robots would be able to, behave more or less like human beings. So I might be like, why would I get a pet when I can get a robot who's almost like me, who understands me, who can reason, who can answer me, and I don't have to clean up after it, and it can even help me with my chores. The perks of getting robots and AI systems would outweigh the perks of getting pets. And so, pets are also threatened by robots and AI in general. And this would lead to my next point. And because of the evasiveness of AI and robots, human connection would be a scarce and highly priced commodity. People would begin to pay loads and loads of amounts to get human connection, because there's going to be this evasiveness of AI systems at work, AI systems and robots at home, that people would begin to miss and crave fellow human connections. And this would give rise to businesses that just provide human connections. Come here to talk to somebody. Come here to connect with somebody. And this isn't networking. No. This isn't networking. This isn't even dating connections. This is just human to human connections, because it's going to be so scarce and it will be a prized commodity. And to my third point, there would be a high level of skepticism because of the rise in digital clones, which is deepfakes, and voice clones. there would be a very high level of skepticism. People cannot just simply believe what they see or hear anymore. And this would result in higher level of stringent regulations because it just has to be controlled. Okay, next point is, this is my favorite. The future of money would not be what we think it is anymore. So because AI would be able to even function in lots of things more than human beings, AI would replace a lot of people. And this would result in a lot of people being out of jobs and all this stuff, and money will lose its value. Let me explain. So when AI can do what humans can do, almost everywhere, robots, AI, and by the way, this would lead to like regulations about having a certain percentage of humans working in a company. Almost similar to inclusivity, where you have to have maybe a certain percentage of female, a certain percentage of minority. Then we begin to have that as maybe principles or laws or encoded in best practices that say you have to have a certain percentage of humans working in your firm. So now back to the point I was trying to make. So because there'll be lots of AI systems replacing humans, that is AI and robots that can do what humans can do, then a lot of people would not have a job or money. And so now people have to survive, right? And so people would look for creative means to meet their needs and wants. And so the concept of trade by barter would come back, because I don't have money, but I have this, and I need what you have, and you need what I have. How about we swap? You take what you need, and I take what you need. That is coming back. That will come back because of the AI evasiveness. And to the last point, I wrote this down. Let me read it. There will be emergence of new kind of jobs, new industries, new roles, and dual roles. We can already see there are roles called prompt engineer, which simply means being able to use the right language to get what you want from an AI system. There will be new industries that would spring up, and some roles will go out of extinction, as always is during revolutions, from the very start of the Industrial Revolution and all. And as well, there will be dual roles. So, for example, it's not just going to be data analyst only, because AI can analyze data and arguably sometimes even better than human beings. So it will be data analyst and prompt engineer. To mention a few, there will be maybe lawyer plus contract engineer. Okay, I just made that up, but there will be new sets of roles, new set of industries, new set of jobs, and dual roles in the future. So get ready. What's the whole point of everything? The entire point is not to instigate fear in anybody. No. There's something humans have always done very well over the years. When change happens, they always find a way to acclimatize and even beat it. So this change might initially shake people, but eventually we're gonna come out on the other side triumphant and successful. So my advice is upskill, upskill, upskill. Look at where you are now in your career, in your job, and see how you can implement some sector or some aspect of AI into what you're currently doing, so as to put yourself on the edge, so that in case there's something like downsizing your company, or they're looking for somebody with some AI skill to put somewhere, you are at an advantage. So the best thing is look for an AI related part of what you currently do, and add that to your skill, upskill, so that you will not be replaced. So someone once said, it's not AI that will replace human beings. It's those who are able to use AI that will replace the people who are not. So the best thing to do is get yourself acquainted with this technology, know how to use AI, and put yourself right where you should be. Put yourself in the right position. Upskill, 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 so that you will be at a vantage position anytime, any day. It might be uncomfortable initially learning something new, but that's what life is about. Change is the only thing constant. Thank you for listening to this podcast episode. My name remains Tolu Lokbe Aoyemi, Tolu for short. Please do subscribe to this channel or follow if you're listening to it on a different platform like Spotify or Apple. And stay tuned to next episode, where I will be bringing a guest expert in AI. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.